Meaning of down payment.
Down payment.
Down payment.
Down payment.
Down payment. A down payment is a sum of money that a buyer pays upfront when purchasing a product or service, typically in the context of real estate or car purchases. This initial payment is usually a percentage of the full purchase price, with the remainder paid off over time through a loan or financing plan. By providing a down payment, buyers can demonstrate their ability to make a serious financial commitment and reduce their monthly payments. In some cases, lenders may require a down payment in order to mitigate risk and protect their investment.